5 sites or apps to get paid to listen to music online in 2022. Do you enjoy listening to music? Then there are legitimate ways to get paid to listen to music. If you are listening to music anyway while you are on your computer, watching TV, eating or working, then there are many legitimate apps, websites and music programs that will pay you just for listening to music. If you are a fan of jamming out to music and wondering how to get paid to listen to music, then this video will show you how to make money while listening to music. While listening to music does not pay as well as regular jobs, it still will give you a little extra in your pocket every month. All you need to do is sign up for the best legitimate apps, websites and music programs that will really pay you for listening to music. These days, there are lots of money-making or side hustle apps that will let you make side cash on your phone by doing simple things you are already doing in your everyday life, such as listening to music. Here are the best apps and websites that will pay you to listen to music. All these apps and sites are free to join. But first, go to More Income, where we teach you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Make sure to subscribe and keep an eye on the notification bell button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Let's get started. Current app. If you have been wondering how to get paid to listen to music, then you could get paid real cash for listening to music on your lock screen by using the Current app. You can search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations through the Current Music app. The more you play, the more you earn. You can also earn gift cards and cash by inviting your friends to join the Current app. The Current app is the only subscription-free lock screen music player that will let you make cash by listening to music on your lock screen. This app lets you earn cash rewards listening to music while you are on your computer, working out, watching TV, eating, running, commuting, or at work. You can also earn cash by listening to free offline music and radio players. Every time you play music, you will earn points that can be converted to free cash. This app also allows you to earn cash rewards by completing surveys, sharing your real opinion, inviting friends, and performing other tasks. Nielsen Market Research. Nielsen Market Research app is an excellent app you can use to make money while listening to music. You can download the Nielsen app from both Google Play and the App Store. If you download and install the Nielsen app, you give the app access to your device usage. The app will then track your surfing activities on your devices, such as the kind of music you listen to, what streaming platforms you use, etc., all for market research. Nielsen will then pay you for your participation in their research. For example, Nielsen's computer and mobile panel can help you make money by listening to your own playlists you already have on your devices. Although you can only earn up to $50 per year with the Nielsen app, this app gives you a hassle-free way to make some cash while you listen to music on your devices. Earnably. Earnably is a reward site like Swagbucks that rewards their members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple online tasks, completing surveys and watching videos. One of the ways you can earn cash and gift cards via Earnably is by listening to music. You will earn points for listening to your favorite radio stations. You can redeem your points for instant PayPal cash or free gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. You can invite your friends, family and followers to earn more. When someone joins Earnably through your unique referral link, you will earn 10% of their earnings for life. Hit Predictor. Hit Predictor is a website that pays you to rate songs online. On this site, you can choose the music genres you want to listen to rather than getting a mix of anything and everything. But this means that sometimes there will not be much for you to review. On this site, when you listen to music, you can rate individual songs or artists based on your opinions. You will earn points for each rating. Hit Predictor pays you 3 points each time you rate a song, which you can redeem for gift cards. Once you reach 500 points, you can enter raffles for $50 to $100 iTunes gift cards or free DVDs and CDs at 1,250 points. There are also loads of contests to enter and other prizes you can win daily. Unique Rewards. Unique Rewards is a reward site that lets you earn easy cash for doing what you like to do. There are many ways to earn cash on Unique Rewards. This app will pay you for completing offers and surveys, listening to the music, watching videos, reading emails, shopping online, clicking ads and playing free games. As a member of Unique Rewards, you can earn cash by listening to the radio. You can choose any radio station you would like to listen to. Every 30 minutes a CAPTCHA will pop up. You get paid for every submitted CAPTCHA code. US users earn 3 cents and British and Canadian users earn 1 cent for every submitted CAPTCHA code. The minimum balance for cashing out is $20. You can withdraw your earnings via PayPal, Bitcoins, or by check on a weekly basis, each Monday as long as you have at least $20 in your account. There are many ways to get paid to listen to music. You will not earn a lot by listening to music, but it is a fun way to make some extra cash doing something you already love to do. If you are a music lover, you should check out these apps that pay you to listen to music. To maximize your earnings, sign up for multiple apps. You cannot use these apps as a primary source of income, but you can use them as a side hustle to earn a little bit of extra cash every month. To maximize your earnings, sign up for multiple sites. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. It was really a pleasure. See you soon for another video.